Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stepping by, you are most definitely welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is sponsored by Celiehair. They sent me this cute, I'm not sure what to call it, but it's gray yeah, in 22 inches. So here I'm just tinting the hair because the frontal was actually like white, so I had to tint it so it can actually be suitable for my skin tone. So I'm gonna go in with my got to be styling gel just to push back my edges. Honestly, I don't really feel like talking too much in this video. You guys will just see and learn, because I do have so many videos where I just tell you guys what I'm doing and why am I doing it. So yeah, but right now I'm just going to cut my lace with this razor. This is a tweezing razor. This is absolutely amazing for cutting your lace, because you really don't want your lace to be straight, otherwise your lace will not melt perfectly. So now I'm gonna go in with this clips from Celie. Actually, the parcel actually came with so many goodies, of which I didn't include on this video because I forgot to include them, but the hair actually came with so many goodies, stuff that you would need when you're installing your hair, stuff that you will need when you are doing your makeup. So right now I'm just going to go in with this bolt hold glue. I was supposed to use another glue, but I really don't know where I placed it. I misplaced it somewhere, but I'm gonna go in with this bolt hold glue, of which it actually really doesn't last, and it is so expensive. I really don't know why it's so expensive, because it really doesn't last, and the one that I usually use cost only like 150. So now I'm just gonna go in with this metal, I'm not sure what to call this thing, but it's really helpful, other than using a plastic thingy just to smear my the glue. So I'm gonna go in with 2 layers, since I'm gonna be taking off this wig just today. Yeah, so let me just not ramble, you guys. Keep on watching. I will see you at the end of the video. So I wanna tell you guys my feedback about this hair. The shading was there, like I really got shading with this hair. I'm not sure, maybe if I wash the hair I won't get the shading that I actually got, because here I didn't really like wash the hair. So and also people have been asking me, no, not that people have been asking me, when people actually ask me where to get nice quality colorful hair or colored hair, I always recommend Celiehair, because they have varieties of colors such as blue. I've once tried red. I really don't remember what other colors I tried, but Celiehair has got so many color hair or colored hair. So yeah, if you are looking into purchasing color hair or colored hair, you should look out to Celiehair. They have nice quality hair, really good. Yeah, yeah. have came to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other colors you would love to see me try on. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I will see you guys next year. Ciao, happy holidays to everyone. I will see you guys next year. Bye guys.